April 18th, 2008, this is vlog number 21 for absolutegains.com. Today we saw the most bullish move in recent memory. I consider today's gains much more substantial than any move up in the past few weeks. That's because today's gains were based largely on solid earnings reports and was broad-based. Earnings are what it's all about. Today's robust earnings announcements gave proof that there's hope in the markets, and that hope extends beyond just those companies that reported. The markets on the whole had a decidedly bullish bias today. The NYSE saw 3-to-1 advancers to decliners, and the NASDAQ saw 2-to-1 advances versus decliners. Today's move has made me move towards a more bullish stance overall. If we see some follow through from this level, we might be off to the races. However, that doesn't mean that there won't be cases of irrational behavior. Be on the lookout for cases like Capital One. The earnings announcement came in at 147 earnings per share versus a consensus estimate of 162, so they're even weaker than expected on earnings, but yet they open up trading $50 to $51 a share when they closed yesterday at $48.74. Anybody with common sense would have shorted the stock right off the open and just waited for the reversal. Sure enough, it came down, closed today $47.21, down about 3%. Like I said in my last vlog, Capital One has nowhere to go but down. The situation's not getting any better. One stock that has gotten better though, WMT, Wal-Mart. Over the past month since I recommended it, it's been going up, and I'm going to take half off the table today for a nice little gain. After the initial buy at $50.19 on March 6th, I'm sitting on a double-digit gain in only 6 weeks. I'm going to take half off the table here to lock in some gains. The conditions of the markets after today could leave Wal-Mart vulnerable to a sell-off as investors look to move to more undervalued names that could appreciate in price a little faster. However, I don't want to close the entire position because I do think Wal-Mart has more upside left in it. I think it's the class of the retailers. It's been a crazy week in the market, so I hope everybody has a good weekend. My thoughts and prayers especially go out to the people in the Midwest who were probably awakened really early this morning by earthquakes. It's funny how it takes an event like that sometimes to put everything back in perspective for us. If you don't know Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior, I ask you to write me at info@absolutegains.com or visit liveprayer.com. Click on Plan of Salvation. Living for the Lord is the only thing that's going to matter when it's all said and done. God bless.